HOT. It's TWT. Shout out to Zames as a Scotty Paul. Camber Town. Ezasemba west side bengiziblomele kasi ngaqala ukuvula le WhatsApp ngathola imessage from u-Afro ngayivula fast wansendela leli beat ivela ngizangemosha isikhathi lyrical I'm always ready ngavela ngakhafulela imic sekangenile umlevu kwentwana encane step aside deep from a Camber Town ezasemba west side nginsizwe ehlala serious angilivezi elomhlaba ile thabe ngakudla iguma mongayithandi la ephansi bangabanga sethi shy kanti cha zona zaza ngithandi eye contact I'm super talented I can read people's minds by the moment we lock eyes I can see what's on your mind I've realized we're out of 100 people in this world 98 of them are let dark mind that's a story for another day I'ma let it slide mina ngirepa ngevele ngiphinde ngirepe ngesingisi iskili sami is-innocent sona sifana nale-hit FYI mina ngiyedi phezu kwe-beat njalo ngitatazeli ngikhuphuka beat but it ufana le-wave wafana nyempela phela mvule kuthi isibokolo sami njalo nonjabo ngibabheke ngidila ngama-actions akwancanye ama-argument I'll never ever waste my time ezintweni ezi-useless ngoba le nto pointless fana lophokothele empahleni engenayo i-pocket ayi as some people bakhulelwa nonsense sure yeah hey sekafikile umantyubu uprice khupha sentwana amabhasi amanentele ezivela zokhipha isinyama futhi indlela pheme yazi mina ngikhulele ekhaya ekweluseni bengithapha inyosi ngiphinde ngidle nehla omunye ubhizi uyatrenda kodwa ushaya itaki ngisho yena lo mfana bampiza ngo-Willie Power some radio stations they entertaining lenti yangiqala khona ukushaya amanzi la ngisola liphumile isaka as long as unemali santalent asisenayiphawu ngempela ngeke ngihamba manga lento mina ngikataza some radio station presenters ngempela kugcwele amanyala busy promote i-biol industry liyayibulala stop that and cooperate or you face my wrath I say stop that and cooperate or you face my wrath I'm out as I say my west side